Hey guys, if your mouse cursor isn't moving, even though the mouse is powered on, you're in the right place. A mouse sensor can stop tracking because of dust covering the optical sensor, an unsuitable surface, a low battery, a loose USB receiver, outdated drivers, or a temporary connection problem. In some cases, the sensor works normally but can't detect movement on reflective or transparent surfaces. These are the steps you can try to fix this and get your mouse sensor working properly again. So, let's get started. 1. Turn the mouse over and gently clean the optical sensor with a soft microfiber cloth or a cotton swab. 2. Test the mouse on a mousepad or another non-glossy, non-glass surface. 3. If it's a wireless mouse, replace or recharge the battery and reconnect the USB receiver or Bluetooth connection. 4. Unplug the mouse, restart your computer, then reconnect it to a different USB port if you're using a wired or USB receiver model. 5. Update or reinstall the mouse driver through Device Manager, then test the cursor movement again.